Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone, for an update of your Thursday evening's forecast. Now, it's been a fairly busy day here in the Weather Centre as there's quite a lot going on, with showers moving in over the Western Cape in association with a couple of weak cold fronts, and we'll see further rain over those areas tonight. And wet weather also affecting parts of the Highveld, particularly from the Northwest Province through the Northern Free State and into KwaZulu-Natal. One very active area moved through the Central Free State and Southern KZN on the border of the first cold front, which is going to quickly move further eastwards overnight. Now, ahead of that cold front, we'll see further showers and thunder showers onto the Highveld and into northern KwaZulu-Natal, but behind us, quite a lot of clearance taking place, and that clear and dry air will allow for some very low temperatures overnight over the Free State. The next cold front makes landfall over the Western Cape later this evening, bringing further showers, especially around the peninsula. Now, tomorrow morning will start off fairly cloudy with showers over that area. Those showers will spread along the south coast, while clearance will take place in the afternoon for Cape Town and the surrounding areas. Very windy along the Eastern Cape coastline tomorrow. We can see those very tight isobars over that area. Mainly clear over the central and northern parts, although much cooler onto the Highveld for your Friday. Tonight's rainfall probabilities indicating scattered showers and thundershowers extending from the northern Drakensberg towards Durban and much of the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. North of this, isolated activity for Johannesburg, Pretoria, as well as the Mpumalanga Highveld. Very isolated showers possible over the southern parts of Limpopo. A bit of light rain along the Wild Coast, and here we can see showers still expected over parts of the Western Cape, particularly for the peninsula and the Overberg, as the cold front will make landfall in that region later tonight. Now, we're expecting southwesterly winds to push in across much of the interior. That's going to allow for the cold air to reach across South Africa overnight. And with that final cold front moving along the Eastern Cape coastline on Friday, very windy conditions will develop across the coastline of that province, strong to gale force at times in the afternoon. Much colder weather expected overnight, particularly for the central and southern interior, below freezing for many areas, particularly over the mountains of the Eastern Cape, indicated by that darker shading of blue. Temperatures remaining in the mid-teens, on the other hand, for the Lowveld, as well as along the eastern coastline. Now, it remains warm to hot over Limpopo, Polokwane at 25 on Friday afternoon. Gauteng, on the other hand, feeling the effects of the cold front. Johannesburg with a maximum of only 17, and mid-teens expected across most of central, western and southern South Africa tomorrow. Saturday will still bring a few passing showers to Port Elizabeth and East London. Otherwise, it's going to be mild to cool and clear for the rest of South Africa. And on Sunday, temperatures will continue recovering slightly. Still a few showers along the Eastern Cape coastline, but partly cloudy and warm for Durban and Richards Bay.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com